Hello students, welcome back. So today we'll be looking at the chemical digestion part of digestive system. From the previous chapter, we learned that digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water-soluble molecules. Digestion uses mechanical and chemical enzymatic processes. Carbohydrate digestion. Digestion of carbohydrate begins in the mouth. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase. The enzyme catalyzes the conversion of insoluble polysaccharide starch to simpler sugar maltose. The environment in the mouth is slightly alkaline, making it possible for the enzyme amylase to thrive. Protein digestion begins in the stomach. The stomach contains digestive glands which produces three important secretions, namely mucus, pepsin, hydrochloric acid. Mucus protects the stomach walls from gastric juices. Pepsin, a protein digesting enzyme. Hydrochloric acid provides the acidic condition needed for the action of pepsin. Lipid digestion. Digestion of food molecules is completed in the small intestine using digestive juices which contains amylase, trypsin, and lipase from pancreas. Enzymes from the intestine wall and bile from the liver. Lipase converts fats to fatty acids and glycerol. Liquid chyme. In the small intestine, liquid chyme containing partly digested food molecules enters into the small intestine from the stomach. In the small intestine, amylase completes the conversion of starch to maltose. Trypsin, another protease, completes the breakdown of proteins to amino acids. And lipase is helped in its action by bile. Enzymes work best at around pH 8, and the juice from the pancreas also contains hydrogen carbonate, which neutralizes the acid coming from the stomach. Enzymes on the wall of the small intestine include maltase, which completes the breakdown of maltose to glucose. We have a structure here. Lipase is an enzyme that breaks down fatty acid and glycerol, which diagram represents the action of lipase. We have the key. This structure represents the enzyme. Another structure represents substance 1, which I believe is fats. Then substance 2, fatty acid, and then substance 3, glycerol. So the correct structure here will be B. Let's check. Correct. So we have our set of activities which are compiled from Cambridge past questions. The diagram represents a protein molecule. What do the small circles in the diagram above represent? They represent amino acids, which are building blocks for proteins. Which effect does gradual increase in pH from 13, the gradual decrease in pH from 13 to 1 have on the action of amylase? Speeds it up and then slows it down. Because amylase can thrive well in an alkaline environment. Why does chewing food speed up digestion? The surface area of the food is increased. This brings us to the end of this episode on chemical digestion. Remember to check up our website www.edubbey.com for more information and resources.